Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can choose containers as inner section in your WordPress Elementor website. So here I have test page. Now simply go and click on edit with Elementor. After that click on plus button, then you can add flexbox container as well as grid containers. Now I want to go with flexbox container and here I want to get two columns row. So now here how you can use intersection. Simply you can drag this container and after that you can add one more column. You can also duplicate and now I want to add a new container. Then you can go here and scroll down. Simply you can go and change the direction. So this one is from left to right. By default this is selected from top to bottom and this is vertical. So after that you can drag any of the widget from here. Then you can add, for example, let me add one image here, and then you can also add one more image, this one. After that you can also use and add anything, then click on publish button.